In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Google Calendar with ClickUp. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. Open ClickUp on your browser and go to the workspace where you want to add and connect your Google Calendar to. Then you're going to click on your profile picture. You're going to find it at the top right corner, and then you're going to click on Settings. Once you open up your settings, go ahead and click on Calendar. You're going to find it pretty much at the bottom of your screen. And here you're going to have the option to sync your ClickUp with any calendar that you use. It can be your Apple Calendar, Google Calendar, or Outlook if you use it. So I'm going to go ahead and sync it with my Google Calendar, and then I'm going to click Connect. Now you're going to be asked to log into your Google account, so go ahead and do that. And then you need to enable this checkbox to give ClickUp access to your Google Calendar. Once that's done, go ahead and click on Continue. Now ClickUp will be connecting your Google Calendar, and it's going to take a few moments. Okay, so once ClickUp has finished syncing all your information, you're going to see this little check icon right next to Google Calendar, and that means it was completed. Now you can go ahead and close this out and you can go back to your workspace. And as you can see, you're going to be able to see in your main dashboard your agenda and everything that you have inside your Google Calendar. And that's it. Hope that helps.